Welcome to today's tutorial where we're going to learn how to turn off read receipts on Messenger. If you've ever wanted to read someone's message without them knowing you've seen it, this quick guide will help you keep your privacy intact. Let's jump right in. First, grab your phone and open the Messenger app. Once it's open, look for the chat you want to manage and tap on it. This will open your one-on-one conversation screen, just like you normally do when replying to messages. At the top of your chat, you'll see the person's name or their profile picture. Go ahead and tap on that. This will take you to the chat settings menu where you can manage different options related to that specific conversation. Now, scroll down until you see an option called Read Receipts. This setting controls whether people can see if you've read their messages or not. It's on by default, which means others get those little seen notifications whenever you check a message. To turn that off, simply toggle off the switch next to Show Read Receipts. Once you do that, Messenger will stop showing that you've seen messages in this chat. From now on, you can open and read messages freely without worrying about letting the other person know. And that's it. Just a few quick taps and you've regained control over your privacy. It's simple, but it makes a big difference if you prefer to keep your activity discreet. Whether you're trying to take some time before replying or just want a little more space online, disabling read receipts can help you communicate on your own terms. Before you go, remember that this setting might need to be adjusted separately for individual chats depending on how Messenger updates its privacy options. So if you're not seeing the toggle right away, make sure your app is up to date. That's all for today's guide. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more quick tutorials like this one to make your apps work exactly how you want them to.